Hello, kindergarten. Welcome back to math class. Let's get right down to business. Get your pen, paper, get your pencil, because I would love for you to do our dice routine along with me. So I'm going to get right down and roll the dice. Every time on the floor. Sorry about that. Here's one of them. And one. Today I have rolled a 4 and a 1. Go ahead and write that down. Number 4, number 1. Number 4, number 1. Draw your math mountain. Here's our parts. 4 on one side, 1 on the other. Draw your tiny, tiny tumblers to fit on the mountain. 4, 1. In order to figure out how many total, let's count on. We have 4 in our brain. 4, 5. We only had to count one more. 5. So that means we're on 5 math mountain. You can write your addition sentence. 4 plus 1 is the same as 5. Moving on to subtraction. 4 minus 1 is the same as. So you have 4 little fishies, and that alligator from our greater than less than math time. He's like, I need a little snack before I eat the greatest number. So he comes along and he sees 4 fish, because we have 4, and he's just gonna eat. This equation tells him he's only allowed to eat 1 fish for a snack. So he ate that 1 fish, and he has 1, 2, 3. 3 are left. So we started with 4. That alligator ate 1 fish and it's gone. So we're left with 3. 4 minus 1 is the same as 3. Greater than, less than, let's start by writing our numbers. 4 and 1. The alligator is so hungry still, okay? He only had 1 little snack. So now he is super hungry and he wants the biggest amount he can get in this situation. So he's looking for the biggest number, 4 or 1. You know the biggest number. But write down, before I write it down, I want you to challenge yourself and write down what symbol goes, which direction the greater than, less than symbol goes. We know that 4 is the bigger number. The alligator wants to eat the bigger number. His mouth has to go toward the thing it wants to eat. So go ahead and write that in there. And then I'm going to write it in, and let's compare what we've written. There's that alligator. He's so hungry. He's like, oh my gosh, I see that juicy 4. I'm going to go eat it. He ate that 4, and so his mouth is open toward the 4. So when we're reading it, we read the same direction as we read anything. So 4, boop, I hit the open mouth first, so that means I know to say greater than. 4 is greater than 1. Then if you flip those numbers around, I have 1 over here and a 4 over here. That alligator is so hungry still. He always wants more. He's just so hungry all the time. So 1 is first. So that open mouth should be opened up to the bigger number. Because just like I keep saying over and over and over, he is so hungry. Okay, 1. Now I'm going to read it this way. I don't just read it this way because the mouth is over there. No, I always read left to right, left to right. So we're going to read it. We're going to read it this way. 1 is, boop, I hit the point first, so that means it's less than. 1 is less than 4. Nice. Okay, now I want you to try and write 5 tally marks. Ooh, this is the perfect number for tally marks. Here we go. Write your 5 tally marks and we'll compare what we've written. I'm going to write it right here. I'm going to start off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's it gonna go? Where's it gonna go? 5. Nice. 5 tally marks. It's always easy to tell that group of 5 because that slash across there, 5. You know that that is a group of 5. Nice job. So, once again, like I typically encourage you to do, practice counting to 100 by 1s and 10s. Challenge yourself by counting by 5s. Practice writing your numbers at least up to 20, but if you can write and keep practicing above 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, I mean, that would be amazing. Continue to play games with your families, card games, dice games, board games, outside games. You could be writing numbers with sidewalk chalk. You could use a paintbrush on dry cement. Paint just water and a paintbrush and dry cement. Write out your numbers. Write out equations. You could roll the dice outside and be enjoying these beautiful spring days. There's all kinds, like math is our life. So you can be doing math while you're eating dinner, anytime, anything you can think of. Just keep those math brains going. You guys got this. You've been doing awesome, and thank you for practicing, and thank you for watching these videos, and I hope you have a great day and a great weekend, and get out in that sunshine and enjoy the flowers and the spiders, and I will see you next week. Bye.